Alright, so out here at a job today in Woolooware. Basically today we're putting in a lead-in conduit. So I was out here a couple of weeks ago, did an assessment, gave them a quote. It's going to be a tricky one. You've got lots of stuff in here. So we've got water here, we've got gas, and there's stormwater under here. We've got all these trees in the way, which I'm going to have to chainsaw out a path here. We've got old stumps, trees going through here. That's the water there. We've got to get a conduit to the side here where NBN will put their box. So yeah, it's going to be a fun one. And then we're going to then poke it out on the opposite side of this fence, and we'll have it just inside the boundary here for NBN to then dig down and take it into their pit, because that's their job, not ours. If we were to do it out there, you need council permits and stuff, and in the Shire I think you need 3 of those. Costs a few $1,000s. So NBN's got council exemptions, so that's why we'll just do the internal part here, get it all prepped up, and then make it easy for our customer. So I'll give you some progress reports during the dig. Right, so I've cleaned out a bit of a path here now, taken out these bushes and tried to leave the stuff road facing so it doesn't look any different, but at least now the gas guy can come and read the meter without getting attacked by bushes. And now, obviously, we've got that water there, and there's going to be, that's going to here, so I'll have to say come. We're going to have to cross over that, so we're going to have to dig under it, because that's going there straight to there, and I want to go over to here, unless I can dig around the outside of it through this way here, which I might try and do actually. That way it avoids the water. The gas must be running. I don't know where the gas is running. Doesn't really show on the plans, so let's give it a crack. So this was just lying just beneath the dirty, so that's the fucking level. Like, I should be down much deeper than that, but I've just taken a nick out of it. Absolutely, what a bugger. So I've got my mate who's a plumber. He's coming around now. He's going to fix this for us, and then I can continue on. But there's so much stuff through here. Look how low that is. That's basically just sitting on under the mulch. So yeah, what a shit. So now I'm going to have to pay for a plumber to come out and fix this. Alright, so my mate, the plumber, Matty, is come and sorted out my little doozy there. So he's he pulled this whole thing out here, and he's welded a new piece of on it now. So pressure tested it, and it's all working fine. So happy days. Now back to the trenching. Okay, so got the conduit now out in the council area. Right. And so NBN now has to dig down to that and then connect onto that to go over to their pit. Alright, so conduit's in, reinstated everything. I've got our conduit here with this side and the drawstring. What a nightmare. Digging in that was just horrible. so many roots and so compacted. But got it down to 300 mostly. Up here was a little bit touch and go, probably only got around about 200 there, but it's about as good as I could get it really, because there's a concrete footing that's poking out, and then without jackhammering out that. But got it down to about 200, which is fine. And then I showed you where it's popping out the other side there. Well, this was a nightmare. Every time you wanted to go over here, you had to try and squeeze in through this. But that's the jobs. So I'm back tomorrow here, because now tomorrow I'm going to run into a pre-prep fibre. So tomorrow I'll extend this video to then. So I'll be back tomorrow. We're running the fibre cable from here to in the lounge room. So another thing I like to do after I dig in a garden is really wet it down, because that way it recompacts the soil. So you whack a lot of water on it, and then makes it all nice and hard again. Just a little pro tip for you. Hey guys, it's Jason here from Securicom. So if you're in need of some internet help, whether that is getting a fault fixed up like a bridge tap, or you have some sort of an issue on your NBN service, or maybe you need to have some new cabling and sockets installed, we provide a range of services to help you out. There'll be some links underneath this video, and you can click on those links and I'll take you through to our website where you can book my service. Alright, thank you very much. Goodbye.